Okay, sweetie, ready to go? You're still asking me if you look okay. It's a cookout. It's nothing special. Trust me, I know most of the people that are going. You'll be fine. You can hold my hand as we walk over there, okay? I forgot how warm and soft your hands are. You're lovely, and you don't need to be nervous. My family is nice, okay? Now, let's go to that cookout. Hey, sweetie, I can see my folks from here. You still want to hold my hand? Sure thing. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I would like you to meet my lover, who I've been telling you guys about. My big brother is here? That is amazing. Where is he? Playing football with his friends? Nice. At least he's having fun. Dad, wait. Where are you going with... Dad, brother, please be gentle. This person is kind and considerate, not like the other ones. Hi guys, how are you three doing? Of course. You three were out there for a run. It is nice to see everyone from the neighborhood come together and have fun. Yeah, Mom, what is it? What? No, maybe later. Right now, we all spend the time together. Wow, the fireworks do look nice. Even the children are waving little flags. Yeah, Mom? Oh yeah, thank you. Sweetie, let's go. My mom gave me a blanket and some food for us to go somewhere alone. Well, how was it? Meeting my family. You looked nervous at the beginning, but then it seemed like you were having fun. You were? That's great. It is great to know everyone is getting along. Today was great to see my family, especially my brother. I really never get to see him, but today's the best. Also because I even get to spend it with my favorite person in the world. It's kind of funny that even my mom put tiny flags in the basket. Yeah, you need some? Wow, you really are just an amazing person. Baby, can I hold your hand? Baby, I love you so much.